Another video of Collectlo.com. In this tutorial we will learn how to create blog on Collectlo. To write content on Collectlo, first you have to be logged in into your account, then click on create blog. You will see this interface. Now first upload the banner image. If you don't know how to design banner for Collectlo, you can check out another video on how to design banner for Collectlo. So to upload the banner image, click here and select the image that you want to upload. The next section, if you see that write a catchy headline and write a brief description about the content. But we would suggest that before writing a headline or brief description about your content, first select the category on which your content is going to fall. So let's say my content is related to online community and it is related to forum discussion. So I have selected the category and subcategory. Then select the keywords. Before you start writing, think about the keywords that relate to your content and how users might search for it. Choose at least 5 relevant keywords. So in my case, how to write blog on Collectlo, publish content on Collectlo, write and earn money, make money online. These are the 5 keywords that I am going to use in my content. Now write the title. Create a compelling blog title that includes at least one of your chosen keyword. This will help your content's visibility on Collectlo and search engines. So in this I am going to write how to write blog on Collectlo.com. The next thing is description. Craft a concise meta description for your blog. Make sure to include your chosen keyword and keep it within 165 characters. Learn how to publish content on Collectlo.com and learn how to write content and make money online using Collectlo. So this is what I have written into the meta description and the title. The next thing is start writing your blog content in the body section of Collectlo. You can use plus icon to add various elements like text, headline, image, table and list. So this is the first thing that I have added in the text format. Use the formatting option to style your text. You can make the text bold, italic and even change its color to enhance readability and visual appealing. So let's say I just want to change this, so you can make it bold, you can make it italic. If you want to change the color, you can change the color also. Now if you want to add list, then click over plus icon and then click on list and then simply write the list item that you want to add. List 1, list 2, list 3. If you want to add image, then again simply click on plus icon, add image icon and then upload the image. The only thing is keep in mind that image size should be the 900 by 525 pixel. Once you have written the content and you are satisfied, keep in mind that save it as a draft to prevent any loss of content. Once your blog is complete, reviewed and formatted to your satisfaction, click to publish button to make it live on Collectlo. By following these steps, you can effectively create and publish your content on Collectlo.com, increasing your chances of attracting readers, getting hired by project owners and participating in giveaway to earn money through your writing. Thank you so much. I hope you understood how to write blog. If you have any kind of query or question, just comment below and we will help you out. Thank you so much.